Yeah,
Yeah. What are we going to say?
Oh, look, yeah, hectic and that. I'm just hanging out with the guy, Daniel Amos and that. We're just keeping the gangster at the food court now, right? Picking up chicks and that. Alright? Yeah, Daniel, can you tell us how teenagers act and shit?
Alright, so what we need is the big macho, the big, huge, big macho, and we've got all the chicks here, everyone looking, saying, oh my god, let's get with him. We've got this big Mono Bulldogs, and then we've got this big midget Amos down here looking up, all this big viral, fucking tagging friends, oh my god, it's viral.
Yeah, that's right, just a mixture of things, you know?
What you need is variety and macho. So we've got plenty of that.
That's right, so we're pretty much so, alright? Okay, make sure you like, share,
tag some fucking friends, get it viral, oh my god, he's gone viral, and sorry for the call sign, which 12-year-olds.
Awesome.
See you later.
Hang on.
Wait, just get in the middle and just do it.
Do another one. Another one.
Thanks for the support, everyone.
Yeah. Someone's it.
Thanks for the support. Subscribe.